So we're here today talking about how companies, particularly micro businesses, can do more online. And I've got two fantastic guests here who are going to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Nadia. I work at GoDaddy, the largest technology provider that's specifically focused on small businesses. And our mission is to get more small businesses online. We've got 12 million customers and 59 million domain names.
My name's Chris Rothwell. I work at Microsoft in the UK. I'm part of our small and medium business team and I run our customer group there. We want businesses of all sizes to be more successful with technology.
Thank you both for joining us today. So a lot of companies have issues or concerns about websites. What do you do? How do you start? How much it's going to cost? And I'm hoping you're going to give me some insights to get rid of lots of those myths and encourage more people to do so. So now, from your perspective, what's the first thing a company should do when thinking about getting online?
When you get online, the first thing you need to choose is a domain name. That's your web address. That's a unique place on the web. And you should do that even before you're ready to actually set up your website, because the cost is very affordable and you reserve that space. And when you're ready, then you build your website.
Fantastic. And a lot of people say it's expensive to do in terms of starting a website because there's all these additives you can put on there, all the apps, widgets. What do you say to customers when they think about the cost of a website?
It's actually quite affordable. It can be simple because you don't have to have an all-singing, all-dancing e-commerce website presence to be successful. You can start really simple and it costs us £1–2 a month max.
That's good news for lots of customers there, Chris, I suppose. And in terms of Microsoft's perspective, what do you do to assist companies getting online?
So we want to help businesses of all sizes, right from micro businesses, sole traders, all up to the largest customers, to be more successful as a result of using technology. And we have partnerships with people like GoDaddy to help people get a website presence and get online. And then that integrates with many of the tools that we have that help people communicate, use email, connect with customers, ensure that they're working in a really professional way. And we want to help people just kind of do more of whatever they went into business. It's not about using technology, it's about running your business. We want to make that as easy as possible. It's about you running a more effective company doing whatever you do, if that's plumbing or building or whatever it might be. And I think getting online, it can be really, really simple. There's all sorts of really easy kind of what you see is what you get editors. You want a picture there, that's fine. You just drop a picture there just like you would be editing a document. And it's no more complicated than that. And that gets you a really simple website that gets you online. When you want more sophisticated features, then there's loads of options for you to do that as well. But then you have to think really carefully about what's my website trying to do? How am I trying to connect with customers? Is it about transacting online? So there's lots and lots of things that you can do to improve, but just getting online in the first place is really simple these days.
How simple is it to get and register a website?
Let's just see, shall we?
Show me.
I can show you. So there's a package we're running which has a domain, a website builder and email all in one package.
Okay.
So you go online, you go on GoDaddy.com, you see this page. It says sweet deal, it's pretty sweet, that's all you want. So you click get it.
And all that's included for £1?
Exactly. You get a domain, a website builder and email, all for £1 a month when you buy for a year, first year only. So I'm just choosing the domain that I want and I'm gonna see if it's available. Hooray! So I click get it now. And here I'm presented with two options. Do I want a static website or do I want to trade online for a slightly higher cost? And this gives me an online store as well.
So you can sell directly to customers online?
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to go for this one with just the basic option for £1. I'm clicking select. And it's in cart. And then I go checkout. I log in, place my order.
And you're done. Fantastic. Exactly. So within a minute you can get up and running and be online, or at least secure your domain name to do so. What assistance is out there to help them build their website, Chris?
I think there's a lot of great advice out there, and in fact the Do More Online campaign, that website has got a lot of resources that talk you through some of those early stages, really step-by-step advice that's about you kind of going from nothing to that first simple step pretty quickly. Beyond that, then there's lots of expertise out there that you can use to build you a more sophisticated website. And organisations like GoDaddy fully support it. So if something goes wrong, everybody wants to know they can pick up the phone, talk to somebody and make sure that problem gets fixed. Absolutely, that's included in many of the packages that GoDaddy have.
Yeah, if you're a customer, you can call us 24/7 and we'll help you with whatever you need. And if you're not a customer, you can call us and we'll help set you up.
Before we finish, what would be your #1 tip for somebody thinking about getting online, because we heard the numbers, there's 2 million or so customers who potentially who are running a business could be online, and that's really good news for potential for some of the micro businesses. What would be your number one tip?
So I'm going to cheat and give you two. I think the first tip is definitely about getting that simple website presence online.
Just to do it.
Just to have something. That's where your customers expect to find you. It's where you'll find new customers will reach you that way. So that's just really important. But related to that is the connectivity. How do you actually get onto the internet, whether it's at home, in the office, or even on your mobile phone? Making sure that you're thinking about online, because that opens up a whole wealth of tools, resources for you to work more effectively, connect with customers, work while you're on the move. It can actually transform the way that you run your business. And particularly for micro businesses, it's such a cost-effective way of using technology. That's definitely the way I would encourage everybody to think about it.
Thanks for that, Chris.
And I would say, think about why you're setting up a website and what you want customers to do when they reach you. On your front page, have a clear call to action. Don't write a long text explaining your journey. Just say, here we are, this is what you do, and then do you want them to request a quote, visit your online store, call for an appointment, whatever it is, tell them what you want to do.
On the homepage.
On the homepage.
Great advice. Thank you so much from GoDaddy and Microsoft for all those tips, and hopefully lots of those 2 million will be reduced now and get online.